Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How to earn money and make money, how to make money, gain very easy work, needed present time, the any business development, very important part, the copywriting work. Copywriting work, lot of demand, the marketplace, Fiverr and Upwork. What is the copyright, the guidelines of Fiverr? Copywriting involves creating, completing text that effective markets a product, service, or concept to large audience. It aims to purchase ready to take and decide action like buying a product attractive and even to subscribe the mailing list. Some the offering on Fiverr, but best copywriting description. What is the copywriting? Copywriting is an act of writing text known as copy for the purchase and advertising or marketing. It is invoice creating, purchase and completing content that grabs the attention or targeted audience communication message effective and incongruous that to take specific action such a marketing product sign up for a service or subscription and newsletter. Copywriting can be taken version forums including advertisement, sales letters, website content, email campaign, social media posting, product description, and many more. Post product, many more. The primary goal of copywriting is ensure the purchase readers or views to take and describe action, ultimately driving sales and generating leads. Effective copywriting often employ various teaching and technical such as a story telling, emotelling, application, specific language as defined understanding of the largest audience and a deep understanding of the targeted audience. It aims to highly the benefits and quick selling properties of a products or service address customer needed and pain point and create a sense of urgently and desire. Good copywriting goals behavior merely describing the perfect of a product or service. It focuses on contracting with the audience, building trusted and establishing and stories, branding idea. Copywriting must be have excellent writing skill, creative and strategy, mind care, completely copy that response with the including audience and average details marketing object. Copywriting very important part, the writing text, popular advertising, marketing, newsletter, eating, etc. etc. This work very very demandable work, Upwork and Fiverr. Daily Upwork the search copywriting job. The hourly 4.9 to 5, 10, 13, 20, 15, 16 hours. And long time deals work 6 months to 1 years. Upwork, the search copywriting job, the search bar. The copywriting job, the $50 per hour, 30K earning, the lot of seller copywriting job, the copywriting, ad copy, sales letter, email copywriting, campaign copywriting, and campaign, sales panel copywriting, website copywriting, sales writing, sales copywriting. Lot of offer and the seller. The lot of seller offer on Fiverr market, Upwork marketplace. You're offering copywriting, ad copywriting, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator graphics, copywriting, sales writing, copywriting, sales copywriting, Facebook ad manager, email copywriting, etc., etc. A lot of service provider, very lot of work. The 75 hours, complete the 1100K, $25, complete the 2000K, the $101, $100 K, job complete. The lot of seller the work 40 hours, 800K, 8K earning. Upwork, the lot of demand the Upwork side, the copy paste copywriting job, same Fiverr marketplace, lot of seller the copywriting job, the top rated seller, level 2 seller. Just I'm open the one seller. I will add to say copyright, sales page, sales panel, etc., etc. Lot of offer. This is the service and oil. Maximum United States sellers the Fiverr copywriting job, sellers copywriting job, these sellers country South Africa. Copywriting very interesting and easy work. Somehow another website and the copywriting description, copywriting the process writing, marketing website, etc., etc. What is the copywriting? Copyright is on one of the most client initiative. So friends, you have this earning, the lot of earning, make money in the online platform. Easy to say. The copywriting job, lot demandable job on Fiverr marketplace. The lot of seller, the copywriting top rated seller, 100K, 200K, 500, 300. The order complete on Fiverr marketplace. Very easy and simple work in copywriting. Copywriting is very easy and a lot of work. The copywriting, you have this search the online platform, lot of copywriting. The copywriting is a very good drive the writing and the old other marketing copy. Point to the rate taken the public, the email copy, email copy, social media ads and anything sales and another use on the product or converter. There are no does and the word you use in our sales copy, been hung the import jack and this the web design and search engine optimization agency when tested for the difference chat, free statement, free query, free price, copywriting, and explain into the goal copywriting to cold use, take any specific action, more about product, newsletter, and read to marketing, manufacturing, etc. Use use response and average the only two mind. There is blog post building the copywriting. The lot of demand the copywriting job, the platform Upwork and Fiverr. You can start today join this Upwork and Fiverr. Okay, thank you. Best of luck.